Okay, you got my games right here. This top one is the Ballad of Gay Tony / Damned. Put it in a different case because it kept on falling out of this one right here. They actually gave me that one for free by accident. Modern Warfare 2, Midnight Club Dub Edition, Assassin's Creed 2, Not the Brotherhood, Mafia 2, Left 4 Dead, Far Cry 2, Fallout New Vegas for PC, Full Clip, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, Barbed Wire, Pamela Anderson Lee, Blade Runner, Fearless, Fallout 3, Dead Rising, Fallout New Vegas for Xbox, Dead Rising, Fallout 3, and Blade Trinity. So, here is my Xbox controller, and there is my headset up there, pens, and this is the bottle from the cap, you'll see that soon, and this is the one that scared the hell out of me, and you'll see that one soon too. Here's my little charger kit right there, and there's my Xbox 60 gigabyte, I think it is, hammer. This is my, I'm gonna sit down. This is my computer parts. You just have some parts here, a couple things, USB card reader, some parts here and there. You got a CD, DVD reader down there. This is my cables. Everybody needs cables. Let me just shine a light on that. You know, you got the cables deep, and a couple of Roman candles too. Yeah, because I'm like that. I'm sitting down now, so you can see what I see. So here we have the HP Compaq 6510B with the give me a second. Intel Centrino Duo with XP on it. This one was a school computer. Before the previous video, it wasn't turned on, so yeah, that's on. Here's my speaker system. The left hand and the right hand and the center. So here we have just a standard OME Microsoft keyboard, ICANN gaming mouse, Razer Goliathus, a small version of the mouse pad. Here we have just a Nextech, what was it, the Source gaming, not gaming, just normal mouse. Here's my KVM. Basically means that I can switch from this computer to that by using that screen. Only one screen. I can't do it with the audio, so that's why I have this right here. This is a Emachines. I forgot what the size is. I think it's a 15 or so. 15 or 14. There's my volume control. Current song that I have on here is Fuzzy Lumpkins by Coxboy and Malgineer. This is an activity music, so basically there is no copyright at all, so that's good. My two waters. This computer is the Emachines T3604, discontinued version. It's from 2007, 6 and 7. Here we have the Belkin M1 wireless router. Here's the speakers that came with this computer. The only upgrades that I've done with this computer are just internally. I've changed the power supply from, what was it, 360 to a 400, I think. There it is, there's the inside. I changed it from a 360 to 460. Changed the both of the DVD/CD and CD drive. Changed the graphics card that is forgot what it is. Hold on, give me a second, guys. Asus EN210H 512 megabyte, I think it is. Box fail, box fail. Give me a second, guys. There's the box for it. I did a review on this, so yeah. So yeah, that's that. I changed the CPU to CPU cooler to LP11 Pro. Changed the to Enermax 80 I forgot what this thing is. Yeah, 80 500 gigabyte Hitachi drive. Got a sharpener, knife sharpener, USB stick, HDHC memory card, nail clippers, eraser. These are novelty items that my friend didn't buy for me, so I just kept them. Here we have Death Note cards right here. So yeah, here's my. Give me a second here. I'm gonna close that closet. Here's my webcam on a small tripod that this camera used to be. I just taped it, ghetto taped it, you know. Kept on moving. Plus, this part right here already broke. So here we have the second generation of iPod Touch. Cell phone, just a regular Samsung 356, I think it was. Deal Extreme watch, my keys, calculator, CD, miniature comic books, Spider-Man, all of them, 5 of them, plus the magnifying glass.